Can you use washable filters? Yes, washable filters can be used, but they require regular cleaning and proper drying to prevent mold growth. Keep in mind, they are less effective at catching small particles compared to disposable filters, so choose based on your air quality needs. A washable filter is more for convenience. I would recommend a disposable filter probably. Your air quality is, in my opinion, more important than convenience. Okay, you keep the same filter, but you just keep rewashing it. Economical and convenient, but it's not the best at filtering debris. Have questions about your HVAC system? We're here to help. Subscribe for more expert tips, energy-saving advice, and money-saving solutions.